In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use unique function in Microsoft Excel. We'll walk through a simple example so you can quickly understand how this function works and how to apply it to your own spreadsheet. The unique function is useful when you want Excel to pull out only distinct values from a list and remove any duplicates automatically. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to use the unique function. Once your workbook is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the names are placed in cells A1 through A6. This gives us a short list to work with, and some of those entries may be repeated. The goal is to create a clean list that shows each name only once. Next, click on cell C1. This is where the result will appear. In that cell, type the formula equals unique, followed by an opening parenthesis, then the range A1 through A6, and then a closing parenthesis. In other words, the formula should reference the list you want Excel to check for duplicates. Before you press enter, it's helpful to understand what can be adjusted in this formula. If your actual data is not in A1 to A6, simply replace that range with the cells that contain your own list. You can also return unique values from a different column by changing the reference to that column's range. The key idea is that unique works on whatever range you tell it to analyze. You may also see notes about changing a lookup value in another cell. But for this specific unique example, the most important part is updating the range so it matches your data. That ensures the formula returns the correct distinct values from your worksheet. Now press enter. As soon as you do, Excel automatically displays the unique names starting in cell C1 and spilling downward into the cells below, such as C1 through C3 in this example. This is one of the most convenient features of dynamic array formulas in Excel. You only enter the formula once, and Excel fills the rest of the results for you. At this point, you should see that duplicate names have been removed, leaving only one instance of each name. This makes it much easier to review clean lists, build reports, or prepare data for sorting and analysis, and that's it. You've successfully used the unique function in Microsoft Excel.